Okay, so this morning we are getting ready to put a turkey breast in the crock pot. It's our RV holiday turkey in the crock pot. So let's get started. Turkey's washed and dried off. And what I'm going to do is I always use these crock pot liners because they save so much on cleanup. It's probably the best invention ever. Anybody, of course, can do this because it's just unbelievable. I wish I would have realized it sooner. So in goes the turkey. Make sure his insides are dry. It's just the turkey breast with the bone in because it helps it to stay moist, and it also offers, you know, juicy, juicy drippings for the gravy. La la la. I try to say that. So in he goes, and the breasts are up, and then I'm just going to pour a little bit of chicken broth in here, just to make it add a little bit more juice in there. And then I melted a stick of butter, and I'm just going to pour that on top. And you know this, it's a butterball turkey breast, so it's already got some butter in it, but this is just going to add to the flavor, which I think is going to make it truly fantastic. And then, let me wash my hands real quick here. Okay. We're going to put the spices on, and you can put whatever spices you like. I'm going to do sea salt on here. And a little all seasoning. Probably just little dashes of everything, like maybe a teaspoon. A little thyme. It's going to smell so good in here in just a little bit. We're very excited. I think our little doggies are excited too. Well, there goes one, just barking about it. That's the baby. Sorry, people. She gets a little mouthy. And then it's paprika. I didn't say that. And I put a little garlic in here too, as well. So this is the smoked paprika, which we really like the flavor of that. And then a little pepper. And then we're going to cook this on low for about 7 hours. 6 to 7 hours, depending how hot your crock pot cooks. Ours cooks kind of hot, so we're going to check the temperature at 6 or 5 hours, and then we'll go from there. So let's pour her in, and then we're off. And we'll be making the rest of dinner in a little bit. But right now, that's all there is to the turkey.
Okay, let's see what this turkey looks like. It sure smells good. Holy Moses. I hope this is enough plate. Boy, look at that gravy juice in there. Right behind you.
Okay.
It's about an inch deep.
Nice.
In juice, yeah.
This one over here. And
Let's see. We'll try this one first. Feel that.
Oh, wow. It's never been that sharp.
And I'm keeping that sharpener in there too.
Wow.
Goodness sake.
Here's what I need. Oh, wee, look at that. Gravy juice. He sure gave us a lot of juice.
Yeah. So when we get this all completed, and which will be a matter of minutes now, we'll plate it up and show you what the plate looks like. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. Cyndi knocked it out of the park. Boy, it looks really good. And we're going to sit down and have our dinner. And it was this simple and this easy. Right, Cynd?
That's right. And I was so surprised at how well it turned out. And it's so tender and so juicy. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. So excited.
Okay, if your mouth's watering, make one. All right, see y'all soon. And thanks for watching. We really appreciate every one of you. Absolutely. Glad you're with us.
Yes, thank you, everybody.